Hey Clay family, I just finished capping out my first, well, not my first buck, but doing my first cap on the buck. I just finished doing my first cap on the buck. How y'all think I did? It was a nice size buck too. Real nice size buck. Tell by the age, in the character, in the antlers. But yeah, nice ass buck, man. Just did my first cap. He got a broke brow tie, but it's all good. It's a decent size though. What y'all think, man? How I do for my first time? I'm about to bury it in the dirt and let the boys do the rest of it. Yep.